In this video, we'll learn how to install OpenSIPS on Debian 12, how to install the database, and how to populate the database with the default settings. So we have OpenSIPS 3.5, OpenSIPS CLI, and OpenSIPS Python package. For now, let's just start with the OpenSIPS 3.5. Our Debian is bookworm 12, so 3.5. So let's go to the stable release. Let's choose bookworm 12, OpenSIPS 3.5 stable, build type release or nightly release. It's okay. So let's use this command here, right? And okay, let me open my server here. Me install as an administrator. Okay. Okay. Currently everything is okay. apt update. This will be a server for rate limit. So I need to install. See what's happening. Okay, do you want to know? What I want is to install OpenSIPS and also OpenSIPS, let's say MySQL. Let me see if I have MariaDB. No, so apt install MariaDB server. Okay, so apt install OpenSIPS. So it's installing many of the default modules. OpenSIPS MySQL module. Okay, this I will need. And let me see if I'll install also the rate limit. Module. Nope. One of my questions here was, is the rate limit module installed? So let's see. I'm using locate, so let me do an update db. Sorry, let me use update db and locate rate limits. Okay, it's not there. So it's there. It's on OpenSIPS rate limit.so. So everything seems fine. We already have the we already have the database. So let's see if we can install the OpenSIPS CLI. Now let's install OpenSIPS CLI. So let me go to the Debian 12. Let me do this to set the correct place to the source of the system. So okay, done. apt update. Sounds great. So now let's try again. apt OpenSIPS CLI. Ah, apt. Sorry, guys. Done. Great. Now let me do OpenSIPS CLI database create. Let's create the OpenSIPS database. No root password for MySQL. Done. So let's quit. MySQL. Use OpenSIPS. Show database. Show databases. Okay, so we have the OpenSIPS database. So everything is installed. The database is installed. Now I can proceed to the configuration of the OpenSIPS control panel. The OpenSIPS control panel will be another video. Thank you.